Welcome to Celeb Gossip, your juicy entertainer. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more updates if you are new to my channel. In a turn of events that could rival the most dramatic courtroom dramas, Shawn Jay-Z Carter now finds himself embroiled in a legal battle to clear his name. The stakes are higher than ever after a stunning twist involving his daughter, Blue Ivy Carter. The young heiress to the Carter legacy has reportedly made statements to authorities that have placed her father at the center of a legal storm. As the music mogul fights to prove his innocence, the world watches with bated breath. Reports surfaced that Blue Ivy, the 12-year-old daughter of Jay-Z and Beyoncé, allegedly made a statement to authorities that implicated her father in a series of undisclosed legal issues. The nature of these allegations remains shrouded in secrecy, but insiders suggest they are serious enough to warrant a full-scale investigation. The Carter family has always been a picture of unity and strength, often presenting a united front in the face of public scrutiny. Blue Ivy's involvement in this legal matter has sent shockwaves through fans and the media alike, prompting questions about the internal dynamics of one of the most famous families in the world. Details of the charges against Jay-Z have been closely guarded, but sources close to the investigation hint at financial misconduct and other serious accusations. The rapper, known for his business acumen and philanthropic efforts, now faces the daunting task of defending his reputation and freedom. Jay-Z's legal team, comprising some of the most renowned defense attorneys in the country, has been working tirelessly to build a robust defense. They argue that the allegations are unfounded and that Blue Ivy's statements have been taken out of context or misinterpreted. Character witnesses? Jay-Z's lawyers plan to call numerous character witnesses to testify about his integrity and contributions to society. Evidence examination. The defense is meticulously examining all evidence presented by the prosecution, aiming to discredit any claims that lack substantial proof. Psychological evaluation. There are rumors that the defense might request a psychological evaluation of Blue Ivy to understand the context and possible influences behind her statements. The courtroom was packed as both sides presented their opening statements. Prosecutors painted a picture of deceit and misconduct, while Jay-Z's defense team passionately argued for his innocence, highlighting his contributions to music, business, and social justice. The trial has seen its fair share of emotional moments. Witnesses for the defense have spoken about Jay-Z's philanthropic efforts, including his work with criminal justice reform and his numerous charitable donations. The prosecution, on the other hand, has presented witnesses who claim to have inside knowledge of the alleged misconduct. One of the most anticipated moments of the trial was Blue Ivy's testimony. Given her young age, the court took special measures to ensure her well-being and comfort. Her statements, though critical, were delivered with a mix of innocence and determination, leaving the courtroom in a state of collective introspection. Blue Ivy's testimony has been a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has provided the prosecution with a powerful narrative, leveraging the emotional weight of a child's perspective. On the other hand, it has raised ethical questions about the appropriateness of involving a minor in such a high-stakes legal battle. The defense's cross-examination of Blue Ivy was handled with utmost sensitivity. They aimed to gently challenge the reliability and context of her statements without causing her distress. This delicate balancing act was crucial in maintaining the court's decorum and in protecting Blue Ivy's well-being. The case has ignited a firestorm of reactions from fans and celebrities alike. Social media platforms are flooded with messages of support for Jay-Z, as well as concerns for Blue Ivy's well-being. Celebrities like Rihanna, Kanye West, and Diddy have publicly expressed their support for Jay-Z, urging the public to withhold judgment until all facts are presented. Hashtags like #JusticeForJay and #SupportBlueIvy have trended on Twitter, reflecting the divided opinions of fans and the public. While some argue for Jay-Z's innocence and highlight his contributions to society, others express concern about the allegations and the potential implications for Blue Ivy. The case has dominated headlines, with news outlets providing round-the-clock coverage of the trial. Analysts and commentators have dissected every development, offering varying perspectives on the potential outcomes and implications for both Jay-Z and his family. The intense media scrutiny has sparked debates about the ethics of reporting on cases involving minors. Some journalists argue for responsible coverage that respects the privacy of Blue Ivy and other vulnerable parties involved, while others emphasize the public's right to be informed about such high-profile cases. This case has sparked a broader conversation about the privacy of children in high-profile families. Blue Ivy's involvement has raised questions about the pressures faced by children of celebrities and the ethical considerations of involving minors in legal battles. Advocates for child welfare have called for stricter laws and guidelines to protect the privacy of minors in such situations. They argue that Blue Ivy's case should serve as a precedent for ensuring that children are shielded from the harsh glare of public scrutiny and the emotional toll of legal proceedings. The trial also brings to light the issue of accountability among celebrities. Regardless of the outcome, the case serves as a reminder that fame and fortune do not place individuals above the law. It underscores the importance of transparency and integrity, even for those at the pinnacle of success. The public's fascination with celebrity culture often comes with high expectations for moral and ethical behavior. This case has intensified the scrutiny on how celebrities conduct themselves, both in their personal lives and business dealings. Jay-Z's legacy, built on a foundation of musical genius and business prowess, now faces a pivotal moment. The outcome of this trial could significantly influence how he is remembered and perceived by future generations. Should the verdict be unfavorable, it might tarnish Jay-Z's reputation and affect his business ventures, partnerships, and philanthropic efforts. Conversely, a favorable outcome could reinforce his image as a resilient and principled figure in the entertainment industry. The prosecution has built its case around a series of financial transactions and business deals that they allege involve misconduct. They have presented documents, witness testimonies, and expert analyses to support their claims. Financial records. Detailed examinations of Jay-Z's business dealings, highlighting discrepancies and alleged illicit activities. Witness testimonies. Statements from former associates and employees who claim to have witnessed or been involved in questionable practices. Expert analyses. Forensic accountants and legal experts have provided insights into the alleged financial improprieties. Jay-Z's defense team has countered with a comprehensive strategy aimed at dismantling the prosecution's case. They argue that the evidence has been misinterpreted and that Jay-Z's business practices are above board. Character witnesses. Notable figures from the music industry, business world, and philanthropic circles have testified to Jay-Z's integrity and positive impact. Alternative explanations. The defense has provided plausible explanations for the financial transactions in question, arguing they are legitimate and lawful. Discrediting witnesses. Efforts have been made to discredit the prosecution's witnesses, questioning their motives and credibility. Throughout the trial, Jay-Z has maintained a composed demeanor, but those close to him report that the stress and emotional toll are immense. The prospect of being implicated in serious legal issues, combined with the involvement of his daughter, has created a personal and professional crisis. Beyoncé, known for her unwavering support of her family, has been a constant presence by Jay-Z's side. Friends and family have rallied around him, providing emotional and moral support during this challenging time. The trial's impact on Blue Ivy cannot be overstated. As a young child thrust into the public eye in such a dramatic fashion, her emotional and psychological well-being is a primary concern for her parents and legal guardians. Reports suggest that Blue Ivy is receiving professional counseling to help her navigate the complex emotions and pressures she faces. The Carter family is committed to ensuring that she is protected and supported throughout this ordeal. As the trial draws to a close, the world waits anxiously for the final verdict. Jay-Z's future hangs in the balance, and the implications of the court's decision will resonate far beyond the confines of the courtroom. The jury's deliberation process is expected to be thorough and meticulous, given the high stakes and public interest. Legal experts predict that the verdict could take several days, if not weeks, to be reached. Several scenarios could unfold depending on the jury's decision. An acquittal would vindicate Jay-Z and allow him to resume his career and philanthropic efforts with renewed vigor. A guilty verdict, however, could lead to significant legal consequences and a lasting impact on his legacy. Regardless of the outcome, the Carter family faces a challenging road ahead. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more update.